Let's start laying down into your back. Bend the elbows, cactus ham. You are your fingertips. Extend your legs. Inhale, modified cobra pose. Exhale, twist to the right. Left elbow to the side and down. Inhale, up. Exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, bring your forehead to the mat. Locust pose. Extend your arms back. Interlace your fingers, arms away from your lower back. Bound locust pose. Chest is up, arms are up. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale, bring your forehead to the mat. Plant your hands into the mat. Pour yourself to tabletop. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands, swing the back heel down, shorten your stand. Inhale, warrior one, reach with your arms to the sky, reaching. Exhale, airplane hands, hinge forward. Stay here, your belly is active. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, back. 3 more of these while up. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And then the next inhale, arms are up. Exhale, arms back. Interlace your fingers. Then your arms down away from your lower back. Inhale, exhale, Hamble Warrior. Fall forward inside of your front leg. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale, both hands into the mat. Downward facing dog. Other side. Inhale, bring the left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Foot between your hands, swing the back heel down. Short to your stand. Inhale, warrior one, reach high. Breathe here, inhale. Exhale, airplane hands, hinge forward. Inhale, arms forward and up. Exhale, back. Airplane hands, 3 more up and back. Up, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bring your arms up. Warrior one, send your arms back. Bound your arms, chest is up. Inhale. Exhale, Hamble Warrior. Left shoulder inside of your front knee. Relax there in Hamble Warrior. Extend your arms up. Breathe here. Let's start to meditate. Find a nice, comfortable seated pose and sit still. Check your body, how you feel today, what your body is telling you today. Connect with yourself. At your own pace, start to focus on your breathing. As you inhale, feel the expansion of your body. And as you exhale, feel how your body relaxes. Stay here for a moment, just being with you. It is time to come back. Inhale, bring your arms up, gaze up. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Inhale, bring your arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hands to your third eye. Namaste.